Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So Max, Gucci bag. So he's fly with his Gucci bag that takes him satellite high. So great bag to have probably. So we have 4 chords and we have a capo here on the first fret, and 4 chords will go round and round through the entire song. So that's great. Let's start with the chord like we usually do, the F major 7. Alright, so that is 3rd on D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be sort of a E minor 7 with the B in the bass or so. I will call it E minor just to have it simple and easy for us. That is the grip. So that will be 2nd on A, then open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Yeah. Next chord will be D minor 7. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And I usually bar the 1st B and E like this with my index finger. And the final chord will be C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so that is the progression here for chords. F major to this kind of E minor, or yeah, whatever we want to call it. You can call it in many ways, but that is the grip, the D minor 7 and the C major 7. All right, we have one strumming pattern, and that's the final thing we need to know about since it goes with this strumming through the entire song. So let's take that F major 7 and we will play down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so one round will be like this. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So a couple rounds of the strumming will sound like this. And when you play the song, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So 2 F majors, 2 E minors, 2 D minor, and 1 C major. That will sound like this. And that is basically it when it comes to Max Gucci bag. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed and play tuned.